Now, before I introduce Professor Dennett, let me invite Terry Molloy to provide this morning's brief excerpt from Darwin's correspondence. Terry, thank you.
Charles Darwin to M.E. Boole, 14th of December, 1866. My opinion is not worth more than that of any other man who has thought on such subjects, but it would be folly of me to give it. I may, however, remark that it has always appeared to me more satisfactory to look at the immense amount of pain and suffering in this world as the inevitable result of the natural sequence of events, i.e. natural laws, rather than from the direct intervention of God. Though I am aware this is not logical with reference to an omniscient deity. I'm grieved that my views should, incidentally, have caused trouble to your mind, but I thank you for your judgment and honour you for it. That theology and science should each run its own course, and that, in the present case, I am not responsible if their meeting point should still be far off.